Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. This is a birdhouse that I made at school today. We put it together and we painted it. We put all the pieces together. The sides orange, purple, roof's blue, and red. That side's yellow, but it kind of looks like orange on the camera. Well, you can tell the difference. Not really, actually, because of the light. Then the back is green, purple. Then I put the date on the bottom. And there's 3 holes. They're supposed to be wind chimes, but yeah. We noticed that we noticed the wind chimes after we glued it all together, but it's pretty cool. I made this today. I'm happy with it. I like it. I hope I can keep it for years.